Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to add newsletter block to your Squarespace website or email sign up block to your Squarespace website. The first thing you want to do is select the page that you would like to add this to. So let's say, for example, I want to add it to my home page right here. The next thing you're going to do is tap on edit in the top left hand corner. After selecting edit, you are going to select the section that you would like to add the block to, and you are going to tap on add block. After selecting add block, you are going to see the option newsletter. You are going to tap on that, and you can see it right here. So persons will be able to enter their email and sign up. And you can edit how it looks by simply tapping on the pencil. And from here you can add the name, as you can see right here, the title, and also the description. And you can also select how you would like it to look by tapping on design. And you can also add background if you want by toggling it on right here. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.